Let me welcome you to the Marine Beach Walk project, where innovation and urban development intersect to create vibrant and livable communities. Located on one of the best locations, the seafront of Clifton Beach, Karachi. The nearby vicinity is also the best in the city. Its vision to be a landmark project, just like Istiklal Street of Istanbul or Bukit Bintang of Kuala Lumpur. Comprising of numerous leisure activities for the resident of this city and a major attraction for the tourists as well. The facility is intended to inherit all international standards of urban placemaking, creating accessibility for every age group and all parts of the society. Its balance between outdoor and indoor spaces and gradual change of levels represents its uniqueness. Out in the outdoors, it will provide walkways, coffee shop, cafes, patios, water fountain for children, a raised deck for sightseeing, gazebos, a butterfly park and an urban market. These activities will holistically create urban environment that every resident of this city craves. The indoor activities like designer outlets, restaurants will provide people a unique experience interweaved with a seafront environment. The shopping gallery will feature a variety of stores, including high-end fashion brands, retailers, and specialty shops. The cafes and restaurants will offer a variety of cuisines, from casual to fine dining. The long walks and surface fountain will provide a place for people to relax and enjoy the outdoors. As it will be a day and night facility, it will be open to different level of people at every hour. Imagine strolling through a beautifully designed park, where lush greenery and art installations harmoniously coexist. The project aims to create urban oases, offering serene spaces where families can gather, friends can connect, and individuals can rejuvenate amidst the bustling cityscape. The design has been conceived with utmost consideration to public safety and compliance to safety standards. An in-house security team and availability of surveillance cameras will make sure that the facility is well monitored and is well equipped to handle any security breach. As the city is expanding, the needs of its residents are also diversifying. In that flux, Marine Beach Walk project will add value to the city, providing infrastructure for future developments of similar nature. It will promote sustainable urban practices that has a good balance between landscape and hardscape, which will be pleasing to its audience. It is intended that project evolves with the passage of time and becomes a part of cultural fabric rather than a standalone separate entity. It's a project that reflects the needs of every metropolitan city and how they are to be catered. A testament to the power of urban renewal and forward-thinking design. By creating inclusive spaces that prioritize accessibility, sustainability, and community engagement, we shape cities that thrive, inspire, and unite. Acting like a mirage in a concrete jungle, the project will also have a positive impact in uplifting the image of the city, providing not only a steady stream of revenue for KDA but also a considerable economic activity. Creating job opportunities for thousands of people directly and indirectly, generating revenues for local, provincial and federal governments. Also, a viable source of tax revenues for the exchequer. So, join us on this transformative journey as we redefine urban living and set new standards for vibrant communities. The Marine Beach Walk project, where every corner is an opportunity to inspire and empower.